So back to the big data project, things we've learned, it's not true that if you build it, they will come.
Okay.
You've got to do two things to make this work. One is make sure that the data is high quality, that the metadata is there. I think we all knew that.
Right.
The other thing we're learning is that we have to prime the pump in this exercise. The folks that we're dealing with are really smart folks. They understand the technology, they understand computing, they understand that marketplace. There are other people who are going to be providing value-added services on government data, and they understand technology somewhat, but they're also not the people that we're going to be dealing with directly, because then we just create a bunch of functional stovepipes.
Right.
So we have to prime the pump. We've got to take the time, and this is what we're doing, take the time to introduce folks to the possibilities of what you can do with the government data and get the conversation going. Mm-hmm. So we have a new program manager that we've assigned to this project, and one of the reasons she's not here with us today talking about this is because she's out priming the pump.
Okay.
She's discussing at a data conference what you can do in terms of value-added services, how you might be able to get to them. So that was an important lesson.
Sure.
I think we'll be able to remove ourselves from that so that the right data will be there. And what's great about this is we're not just putting a bunch of data out there to see who's interested.
Right.
What we're learning is that if you take the time to get the conversation going, you can get the right data out there that will actually be of market value.
Right.
And so we're learning, as I indicated from the example a little bit earlier in the show, that they actually can have market value from the data.
Absolutely.
It can free up cycles for us. We can focus on building businesses, creating jobs. This allows us to easily comply with open data policy. The movement doesn't have to be at a cost to the government. It removes the bottleneck of government budgets as a pacing function for ability to get data out and stimulate the economy. And shifts our concentration from just moving data to actually analyzing it and getting more value out of it for the government as well.
Yeah.